Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. So, students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. So, everyone, please open your computer book and open page number 76 of your computer book. And let us start with chapter 7, Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation graphic software developed by Microsoft. It comes as an integral part of Microsoft Office suite of applications. PowerPoint is used to create and display beautiful presentations that include text, pictures, charts, diagrams, audio, video, and animated special effects. Presentation, it's on page 76. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order that displays the information along with graphics, sound, and animation. Slide. A slide is like a page of a PowerPoint presentation that it displays some information about a topic. How is a presentation helpful? A PowerPoint presentation helps us in presenting the views and ideas effectively by creating good visual impacts on the audience. People in the business world can use it to present information about their products or company in seminars and meetings. PowerPoint is an effective tool to present and organize the course contents in classroom and encourage students' learning. Let's know more. The 5 best free animated and presentation softwares are Powtoon, Google Drive Presentation, 280 Slides, SlideRocket, Prezi. Quick View. To create a shortcut for Microsoft PowerPoint 2016, drag its icon from the Start menu to Desktop. Starting PowerPoint 2016 on page 76. To start with PowerPoint 2016, follow the given steps. Click on Start, then scroll down to PowerPoint 2016. When you open PowerPoint 2016, the Start screen appears. Select the blank presentation thumbnail from the screen. A new blank presentation named Presentation 1 will be opened in the presentation window. Quick View. The shortcut to create a new presentation is Ctrl+N key combination. Components of PowerPoint 2016 on page 77. PowerPoint 2016 consists of the following components. Title bar, it displays the name of the presentation on which you are currently working. Quick Access toolbar, it contains the frequently used commands and it is placed at extreme left of the title bar. You can also place this toolbar below the ribbon. To do so, click on the drop down arrow at the end of the toolbar and select the Show Below the Ribbon option. To add more commands to the Quick Access toolbar, right-click on any command on the ribbon and click on Add to Quick Access toolbar. Ribbon. The ribbon is placed at the top area of document. You can see here. It displays several tabs such as File, Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, etc. Each tab contains commands which are organized into different groups. Ruler. The 2 rulers, vertical or horizontal, are located at the top and to the left of the current slide respectively. The ruler makes it easy to align text and objects on the slide. Slides pane. It is the middle section of the PowerPoint window where you can work directly on individual slides. Slides navigation pane. The slide navigation pane is a small window on the left side of the presentation window. You can see here. It shows a thumbnail version of each slide. If you want to see the large view of any thumbnail, click on it. The selected slide appears in the Slides pane. You can add, delete, duplicate and rearrange slides in the Slides navigation pane. Notes pane on page 78. It is placed right below the slides area. The Notes pane provides space to add notes to the current slide. It is also known as Speaker's Note. Comments. In this area, the reviewer may leave comment for any slide. View buttons. The view buttons are displayed towards the left of the zoom control slider on the status bar. You can view the slides in different formats such as normal, slide sorter, reading view and slide show. Zoom control slider. The zoom in or out. To zoom in or out, click and drag the slider using the zoom control. The number to the right of the slider reflects the zoom percentage. Okay. PowerPoint 2013. The components of PowerPoint 2013 are similar to PowerPoint 2016. Know the fact there are two scroll bars, vertical and horizontal. You can move the screen display towards the right or left using the horizontal scroll bar and shift it up and down with the help of vertical scroll bar. Know the fact. Use save as command if you want to save an already existing document again with a new name without deleting the original file. Creating a new presentation. To create a new presentation, follow the given steps. Click on the File tab, New option. From the available templates and themes pane, choose the blank presentation option and click on Create button. Simply double-click the blank presentation option. A new presentation with a blank slide will open in PowerPoint window. The default slide that appears when you create a new presentation is Title Slide Layout, which displays the dotted rectangular boxes called placeholders. To add a new slide, click on the New Slide button on the Home tab. To change the layout of active slide, click on Layout button and select the desired layout from the list. To create a new presentation in PowerPoint, click on Office button and select the New option. Adding text in a placeholder on page 79 of your computer book. To add text inside the placeholder, follow these steps. Click to add title placeholder. The cursor appears in the text box. Type anything. I am typing here computer department. Click inside the click to add subtitle placeholder. Type anything. I am typing here learning with fun. You will notice that the entered text appears on the slide. Now students, we will discuss the last topic on page 79, that is creating presentation using templates. Now you will ask me, what is a template? Yes, let us discuss what is a template. Please see know the fact box. A template is a pre-designed presentation that includes custom formatting and designs. Okay? It can save a lot of time and effort when starting a new presentation. So, if you want to make a new presentation and you have less time, then you can use the template option, and templates contain pre-designed presentations, right? So, how to create presentation using template? Let us discuss the points. Number 1, start PowerPoint 2016. Then a start screen appears displaying list of templates. Number of templates are available. Double click on the template that you wish to use, right? Or there is another thing, click on the thumbnail of the preview template first and then click on the create button. If you want to preview the template, you can use the thumbnail, but if you want to use it directly, you will double click on the template. And you can see figure 7.6. In this figure, templates are available here. You can see. So, these are the templates. These templates can be used by the users to make a presentation. And after that, next point is, you can also create a presentation based on online templates. Online templates are also available. You can use them also. And next, when the start screen appears, enter a term related to that template that you are looking for in search box at the top of the page, and then click on the search button, right? If you want to search for a particular template, then you can search it. Now on page 80, please see the top. We are discussing the points of templates. Then click on one of the suggested searches present below the search box. Suppose you have searched something, you have searched about solar system template. Then a lot of number of searches will be available. You will have to choose one. We have to select the education category. That is up to you. Any category you can go. We have to select education category. A gallery of online templates will open. Select the desired template and click on the create button, right? If you have selected a desired template, you will click on the create button. Here we have selected children playing education presentation. You can see this presentation, According to your book, this is children playing education presentation. So it is selected. It is a design template. You can see here children are playing in the playground. And after that, the last point is the selected template will open as a new presentation comprising of group of slides with different backgrounds. Saving a presentation on page 80. It is important to save your work at regular intervals so as to avoid data loss because of any hardware or power failure. Follow the steps to save a presentation. Click on the Save button present on the Quick Access toolbar or select the File tab and then Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. Specify the name. Any name you can write. I am writing my presentation in the name text box and then click on Save button. The presentation will be saved with the name My Presentation and with an extension .pptx. Closing and exiting a presentation. To close the presentation, click on the File tab. Select the Close option. The presentation will be closed but the PowerPoint application window will remain open. To exit the presentation, click on the Close button on the title bar or use Alt plus F4 key combination. Note: if the changes in a document are not saved, PowerPoint 2016 will prompt you to save the changes. You should close a document only after saving it. PowerPoint 2013. We can close and exit the PowerPoint in PowerPoint 2013 in the same way as we do in PowerPoint 2016. Opening a presentation. To open an existing presentation, click on the File tab and select the option Open from the drop-down menu. The options related to open will display in the right pane. The Open dialog box will appear. Locate and select the file name to be opened and click the Open button. We use the Open option and File tab to open any file in the PowerPoint 2013. Quick View. Pressing the Alt key displays the shortcut key for each tab. To open any particular tab and its commands, press the Alt key along with the specific shortcut key. For example, Alt plus H key combination. Running a presentation. After making slides for a presentation, you can run the presentation using F5 key. It is on page 81. This will let you to view the slides in progression on the screen. Quick View. Press Ctrl plus P key combination to print the slides. To view the slideshow from a particular slide, open the slide and press Shift plus F5 key combination.